Competition in the end. It doesn't matter if you prove that you're the very best, but what will happen when you put your friendship to the test? Never mind about who is the favorite. The most important thing is being friends. The most important thing is being friends. Everybody can help. Everybody join in. Everybody has a part to play. Then everybody can win. Everybody can help.
Never fear, Avengers!
You'll find out what you can do. Everybody can help. What I'm saying is true. When you give it a try, you'll find out what you can do.
A new champion has entered the arena and has joined the crew. His name is Supoor Hero.
It doesn't matter if you prove that you're the very best, but what will happen when you put your friendship to the test? Never mind about who is the favorite. The most important thing is being friends. Nobody has to be the favorite. Everybody can help. It's not a competition in the end. Everybody join in. It doesn't matter if you prove that you're the best. Everybody can win. But what will happen when you put your friendship to the test? Never mind about who is the favorite. The most important thing is being friends. The most important thing.
This guy has a mission, and well, his only power is to make people poor. Well, he steals from the rich and gives it to the poor. He steals, well, anything that has value. And, well, it's responsible for stuff like, well, some guy is saying, "Hey, I live by a van down by the river. I live in a van down by the river." Alright, basically this guy is Ludo's evolved form, only he wears a mask and a cape. And, well, actually, he's kind of a good guy. He even teaches people lessons, like tea bags should be used 5 times, and be sure to lick all the ice cream off the lid before you eat it. He's actually a nice guy. And not only that, well, his power is proven useful, only it doesn't work on Mangy Mutt. Lucky him. There's his fingers. Now we just draw his cape. I bet not even Thanos can stand up to him. Get ready, citizens of New York! Supoor Hero is ready to save the universe! After you like and rock and subscribe to this channel and check out which yokai you're gonna subscribe next. Stegosaurus, see you later. And also, Supoor Hero, see